Well, I finally got the log out. Kind of accidentally stepped my toe onto a nail, onto a piece of wood. But it didn't stab through my foot, but it just rubbed against it, and that's it. And it got stuck in between, but it didn't cut my foot. It just rubbed against it. Luckily, it wasn't that sharp. It was pretty dull. Let's give this thing a try. I know you want to see the Super XL in action, but I'll definitely do one for you. They're both pretty good cutters. But that thing makes some big shavings from the Super XL, and that one makes little shavings. Anyways, I'll set this up with the Homelite 340 and this, and we'll make a Homelite chainsaw video. Stay tuned for that.